Please turn off the power and move the printer head to the middle. Please open this lid. Please take out the single damps separately and put them into the bag. Do not let the ink flow into the printer head. Kindly be careful with the cables. Please remove the 3 screws here. Please take out the new printer head and the 4 cables. Please pay attention to the ribbon cables on the left and right sides. The metal contacts at the bottom should face downwards. And the metal contacts at the top should face upwards. Gently install the printer head back. Insert the ribbon cable located above the printhead into the connector on the underside of the circuit board. Please pay attention to the orientation of the metal contacts. Please take out the dampers in the bag and install them back. To avoid the ink flows into and damages the printer head. Please install the lid back and restart the machine.